Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. This is week 30 or edition 30 of Minute to Win It, and for this one, there's going to be a few different variables you can do, but I want us to try to measure out 30 feet. So you'll have to set up a cone or some kind of marker, and then pace off 30 feet to set up another cone or marker, and then you can grab a plastic sled or anything that's going to slide if you're doing this on the grass or maybe like a cement floor. Well, maybe. Or you can grab some kind of a cart or anything that has wheels on it. And what I want you to do, and this is where the variables come in, push one of your family members or friends from one end down to the other and then turn around and push them back. And keep on going back and forth from one marker to the other. So you're going 30 feet, spin around, 30 feet, spin around. And the variables may be a little different because maybe you're pushing your dad who's 200 pounds, or maybe you're pushing your little brother or sister that's 25 pounds. So maybe you can do it a couple times to see the differences, but how many times you can go back and forth. So that would be 1, coming back would be 2, going back out's 3, coming back would be 4. And set those kitchen timers or stopwatches for 60 seconds and see how many times you can go back and forth in 60 seconds. And then if you want to do it again to have a little different variable to it, you can have them be in the little cart with wheels or sled or whatever apparatus you're using and have them hold on to a rope, and then you will pull them the 30 feet and make sure you pull the sled or apparatus they're sliding on all the way past the cone and then spin them around and then pull them back. It's going to work different muscles in your legs. And either way, guys, you're going to have fun with this. It's going to be a very, very good workout. Your heart's going to be beating. You're going to be breathing really heavy. And it's going to be a great workout for your guys' legs. So I hope you have fun with this with you and your family members. And until next Wednesday, guys, another edition of Minute to Win It. Have fun with this one. And have a great week, scholars. Till next time. See ya.